Welcome to the video. In this lesson I'm going to take just 5 notes from the minor pentatonic scale and create a funky bass riff out of them. And you can drop this into your grooves today. I'm going to play you this riff now and then I'm going to play it to you slowed down. So the notes that we use for this riff come from the D minor pentatonic scale, and it's just those 5 notes. This is the scale. Okay, I'll show you how to play that. When you're playing it, you can use your 3rd and your 1st finger or your pinky and your 1st finger. It doesn't really matter, it's up to you. Okay, so we start on D. Alright, and then the minor 3rd there. Now when we play the traditional version of the minor pentatonic scale, it's here. Alright, that's the F, but we can play the F there. That's going to help with the lick, so we'll learn it this way. Watch that one more time. Try that with me. So pause the video now and make sure you know that shape, because it will really help you when you come to play the riff next. To play this riff, we just use those 5 notes. There's no theory here. It's simple. We're just making a riff out of those notes. So I'll show you how to play this riff in 3 phrases, okay? So the first one. Okay, I'm using muted notes there. If you haven't played muted notes before, just rest your fingers lightly on the strings and pluck. You'll get a percussive note. So D and then 2 other Ds. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. Then we play C to D and F, but we hammer on C to D. Okay, so you don't pluck the D. Just hammer on with your fretting hand. Ba, da, ba. Alright, the muted notes sound good when you speed them up. They're a bit weird when you play them slowly. But that's the phrase. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. 3 and 4 and. Again, 3 and 4 and. Okay, the next phrase. I'll break down to 2. Okay, we've got a slide in there. D, F, G, A. D, F, G. When you slide, don't pluck on the A. D, F, G, A. And then A, C, A, C. Try that with me. It's after 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then so D, D, F, G. So that whole middle phrase. So after 1, 2, 3 and straight after 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, and then the last phrase, that's on the beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you've got a slide there. G, A, C, A. And then G, F, C. Okay? G with your first finger. This. Now it's pretty tricky, those last 3 notes with that slide and then hopping down to that C. Quite technical. That starts on 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3. I'll play the whole thing. I'll play that with the drum groove slowly. So if you're playing a groove in D, you can drop that in, that lick in, okay? You can just be grooving on anything, any groove. And that's a 2-bar lick, so it's quite a long lick. You could put that at the end of a 16 bars or something like that, or at the end of 8 bars. So you can drop that in to your bass lines. You can even start this lick on different notes. So once you know the minor scale, the D minor pentatonic scale, you can start on different notes and construct your own riffs with different rhythms. If you enjoyed getting all of this out of just 5 notes, this is exactly what we do in my pure pentatonics bass course. In the course we go deep into minor and major pentatonics, and most importantly, how you use and apply pentatonics in your own playing, because application is the most important thing that will benefit your bass playing. I suggest that you download the free PDF, so just click the link below this video in the description and work on this funky riff. Make sure you can play the pentatonic scale as well first of all. And also if you look in the description next to it, you can see a link to the Pure Pentatonics information page, so you can find out more about that course if you want to. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this lesson. I'll reply to all the comments, and it's good for me to get the feedback. And if you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee or a beer, and the links at the bottom of the screen here, or you can click links below in the description. Don't forget also to check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got details of all my courses, my pentatonic course, my one-to-one lessons, membership, my books. So take a look at that and you might find something there that you want. So that's gbshed.com. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.